Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today I'm so excited to share a closer look at our Joy to the World Classic Bundle. All of our classic bundles include a collection kit, solids pack, ephemera, and a 6x6 paper pad. At the heart of the collection is our 12x12 collection kit. This kit includes 2 each of the 6 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 10 different patterns and 2 journaling card sheets, this Christmas collection brings heartfelt beauty and timeless holiday joy to your creative projects. Also included in our collection kits is a 12x12 element sticker sheet. Our coordinating solids packs are designed to perfectly match the color and design of the pattern papers. The patterns and elements in this paper pad have been perfectly scaled down, making them ideal for all your card making projects. With 34 pieces of ephemera, just imagine the layouts you could create.